Hi! In front of me is Samsung Tab Active3 and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google Passwords Autofill. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to Access, Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and blue sweater next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my sweater and all of those features are now gray. That means that Autofill is off. But you can always switch it on by hitting the same sweater one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!